Thank you for joining me on this biohacking segment pertaining to energetic mechanics. What I'm going to share is about food, health, and the systems that regulate what you consume. All right, hydrogenated oils, corrupted oils are the topic at hand for today. They are a deliberate attempt to harm your energetic health and the purity of your body's frequencies and modalities, your energetic purity, and your connectivity to source. Not only do they harm your body, they silence your signal into the universal realm. Every substance carries a vibration, not just a chemical composition, but an energetic signature. When you consume something, you are not just taking in its nutrients, you are absorbing its frequency, you are incorporating its vibration into your own field. Most foods that grow from the earth carry neutral or high frequencies, okay? So let's talk about corrupted oils. Not the oils that comes from olives, seeds, or nuts, but oil that has been heated and processed, chemically extracted, and stripped of its natural structure. Oil that has been turned into something that the human body cannot recognize and cannot process cleanly. In the modern diet, this appears as soybean oil, cottonseed oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, corn oil, plus more. These oils do not exist in nature. You cannot squeeze a canola and get oil. You cannot press any of these and express plant fats. These substances require industrial machinery, chemical solvents, high heat, and a refinement process or processes that fundamentally change the molecular structure, and that change corrupts and encodes the oil with a frequency that can block your access to higher perception. Here is how it works in your body. Every cell membrane, every nerve sheath, every hormonal pathway in your system is built from fat. When you consume natural and unprocessed fats, your cells build strong, clear, flexible membranes that allow energy to flow freely. But when you consume corrupted oils, oils that have been molecularly damaged, your cells incorporate that damage into their structure. Imagine trying to hear a radio signal through a broken speaker. All you hear is static and distortion. This is what happens when your cell membranes are built from corrupted fats and oils. The universal field is broadcasting, the signal is reaching, but your cells cannot translate it into consciousness awareness because their structure has been compromised. Certain substances create shadow layers in the energetic body. Keep this in mind. Energetic mechanics.